Bonjour, ma chère caméra. Tu veux rester à la maison? Tu veux aller filmer? Tu veux aller filmer différents voyageurs? On y va. Go travel! От одного чуда техники пойдем к другому чуду техники. Это вот этот вот двухэтажный отель.
We started this business a bit more than 5 years ago, where we decided to change our lives and to give a different experience to the guests that join us in these trips. So we converted this truck into a hotel on wheels, where inside this truck we have 2 floors, where on the top floor we got 5 double rooms, 1 couples and 4 with bunk beds. And on the bottom floor we have some common living area with a fully equipped kitchen, a toilet and a separate shower. And we have our own private room where we always stay with our guests along the week. Normally we do weekly trips in Morocco in the winter time and in Portugal in the summertime. I designed it, and then together with some companies in Portugal it was built for us. It's not cheap, but it's not expensive. For what it is made in Portugal and made with the companies that work for us. We can get quite a good price for it. Yes, it's 12 meter long. When closed, when open, it grows 1.5 meter more. It's around 13 meter long, and then it's 6.5 meter high and 5 meter wide. On the top of the truck there are 4 big solar panels, and we have some batteries to accumulate the energy to use during the night. We are here. Thank you.